Hey, this is RedLotus. Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will give you 5 basic tips so you can improve your design skills using Photoshop. The first basic tip is setting up your work area. By this, I mean organizing all the necessary panels and tools you need in your design course. For example, here's Photoshop opened. Let me show you how to do it. Simply go to Window and you can access all the panels here. For example, now I add the Layers panel. And I add some other panels that I need. For example, the Characters panel and the Paragraphs panel. You can add them here. And I add some other panels such as the Brush panel and the Brush Presets panel. These panels I need in my design course. And you can click these double arrows so the tools become a single line, so you will have a wider work area. And when you finalize adjusting or organizing your panels and your tools, simply click here and go to new workspace. Here I name it design. So my work area is named design and simply click save. And now you are done with it. Tip number 2 is to specify the amount of memory Photoshop should use. To specify the amount of the memory usage, simply go to Edit and all the way down to Preferences and there to Performance. And as you see in this tab, it's named Memory Usage, and you specify the amount of memory that Photoshop should use when open. For example, here it's 80%. This is too much for me, and I want to lower that amount. Simply lower it to the amount that you want, for example, 71%. And when you are done with it, simply click OK. Tip number 3 is to have a fast mouse. Having a fast mouse is very important to improve your skills. To do so, go to Control Panel, then to Ease of Access Center, and then click Make the mouse easier to use, then click Mouse Settings. Here in the double-click speed, you can increase the speed of your mouse, then go to Pointer Options. In the Motions tab, you can also increase the speed of the pointer and make it fast. And after that, click Apply and OK. Tip number 4 is to use keyboard shortcut keys. This method is very important to work much faster. For example, instead of going to File and clicking New, you can simply click Ctrl N on your keyboard. And as you see, it opens the new panel. And every tool has a shortcut. As you see, the Move tool has V and the Marquee tool has the M shortcut key. To view all the shortcut keys, simply go to Edit, then click on Keyboard Shortcuts. And these are all the menus. For example, click on Filter, and next to each action, you see a shortcut key. Tip number 5 and the final one is practice. Of course, the best way to improve your design skills is to practice and work regularly on Photoshop. The more you practice, the more you work, the faster you become, the more creative you become and the more ideas you will have